this side guys, so let's talk about the rise of a new AI feature in Google Messages. So which is this is Google Gemini. So Google Gemini is a more advanced AI model that offers improved conversational capabilities, making it a popular feature for Google Messages. Unlike Bard, Gemini is designed to integrate seamlessly with Google's messaging platform, enabling users to access AI-powered chat functionality directly within their conversations. Essentially, Gemini is a revolution of Bard with improved capabilities and a more streamlined experience. Google has chosen to focus on Gemini due to its enhanced performance and potential for further development. As a result, Bard is no longer a separate entity but has been incorporated into the Gemini brand. Overall, Gemini popularity in Google Messages is a testament to Google's innovative approach to AI development. So, let's go muna guys. So, ito lang yung summary ng ating Google Gemini, the rise of a new AI feature in Google Messages. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.